Hey socialites, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Ariel. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. So today I'm going to be opening up some of my Christmas gifts. Has been busy with AJ's party, but the party is tomorrow. By the time this video goes up, the party is over with. We can breathe and bring in the new year with some peace and tranquility. But everybody has opened up their gifts except for me, but that's okay because a few of them I already know what they are, and I'll tell you guys what those are. And so we're gonna start off with the stuff that AJ and Trey gave me, so which are my kids if you're new here. So first is something I opened up already, and AJ got me this. It's a TLC like memorabilia. It's so cool because not too long ago, a TLC, this was probably like a week or two ago, maybe like 2 or 3 weeks ago, a TLC song came on the radio and I was giving her the whole rundown of when it came out and like what we were doing at that time. So it has a little T-Boz, Left Eye, and Chili right in here. And then it has like a record behind them, and then like some pictures of them in there. Like, I thought this was so cool. So eventually when we move and I get like a bigger studio space, I want to have shelving in there and like really cool things that I love, like something like this I'll definitely have on my shelf. But is this not so cool? Are any of y'all TLC fans like me? I love this. So shout out to my baby girl for this. She did that. I love this. And then this is from Trey, which is my baby. So this is a bath spa set. So it has 2 bath salts, 2 bath bombs, and a gold eye mask. So, and it's from Milton and Drew. I've never heard of this, but we'll test this out and see how it goes because I'm one that takes more baths than showers. I do take showers, but I take baths a lot, which we're gonna get back to that because I got something cool for the bath too. And then a request, I did tell Mr. that I wanted to go to Victoria's Secret for Christmas. So he picked up a few things from Victoria's Secret, which one, I love a good throw. And I feel like a throw is a gift that you can never go wrong with anybody, especially me. And so this is from Pink. It's a little cozy blanket. And it has a little dog on there with a red bow around his neck. Very Christmassy, the color and everything, and it's super soft. So, and then I got another bag that's full of fragrances. So he got me 4 fragrances and I was like, what? And so he was like, you know what, I went in there, I picked out 4 fragrances, and now you have more perfumes you can do content with. And so I was so grateful for that. And he said they smell so good, which I'm excited to smell these. First of all, I haven't bought a perfume from Victoria's Secret since I was in my early 20s, maybe like 22 was the last time I bought a perfume from there. Now I hear a lot of people talk about their perfumes, but if it was anytime after 2005 probably, I really don't know, you know, what it smells like. But anyways, he has really great taste in fragrance, so I already know they're gonna smell bomb. So the first one is Bombshell Passion, and so we'll probably do a separate video to see what they smell like. And this one is Very Sexy Night. And this one is Bear. And I've heard a lot of great things about Bear, but I've never smelled it before. And this one is Tease Candy Noir. So, yay! I'm so excited. Y'all know I love perfume, so to get 4 at one time, it's like it's giving kid in a candy store. So we're gonna open these together and do some first impressions coming up really soon. So one day, maybe about 2 weeks ago, I'm thinking I'm going into the studio to film, and Mr's like, you wanna go to the Galleria? You wanna get a new bag today? And I was really like, what? who doesn't want to? And so I got dressed, we went straight to the mall, and so this was what I thought was just gonna be my Christmas gifts, which I've never done this before. We've never like went for me to actually pick out my Christmas gifts, which actually turned out really cool because he said this took a lot of stress off of him, and I didn't realize that it was stressful for men or your partner to buy you Christmas gifts. I didn't realize. Is it stressful?
Well, I'm just saying it made it easy.
Okay.
Not so much the stressful part, but the part of, you're always trying to find that thing that that person might like, or if they may have mentioned it, or something like that. But it was easy because you already kind of had an idea of some things that you wanted when you sent the link.
Okay.
But we didn't identify.
You should have came and told them this.
You can.
Okay, well, yeah, so he said it just made it a lot easier, because just to make sure he gets the right thing, and that, that I'm really happy with whatever he gets, which I always am, even if it's something I'm not crazy about, because he picked it out, I'm usually happy with whatever it is. So this one is from Way, which is, no, Key. Yeah, he told us what it's called when we went in there, and I've always called these Pkwy or Way glasses, but they're called Key. So we went to the Key store in the Houston Galleria, and when we went in there, the sales guy, who was really sweet, by the way, let me see, because I like to tell y'all my salespeople's name, and I don't think I have his name. If I can find it, I'll put it across the screen because it was a good experience. He was so sweet, but he was telling us they had buy one, get one free on the sunglasses, any sunglasses in the store. So I said, well, how about I get a pair of sunglasses and you get a pair? So Mr. picked out a pair and I picked out a pair. I don't even know what these are, but they come in these little leather pouches. And so like that, and it kind of snaps and close like that. And I like that it's so flat because they fit in your purse easily. A lot of the designer shades now have really bulky cases that are tough to fit in some of my purses. So I like how sleek it is. Although the one thing about it is I feel like it may, if you have something heavy in there, you want to be careful because I don't know how much protection at the same time you can get with something, just, you know what I mean? But anywho, this is the pair I got. So unlike any other pair of shades I have, and they're like a brown bronze type color on the frame, which is a thin frame, and then like the bronzy brown lenses. Oh, aren't these so cute? I love them. These are so cute. Now they had some more that were like cat eye, that were like a beige color, and I thought they were so different and unique because I have quite a sunglass collection. I think I do. Probably not compared to some other people, but for me, I have quite a collection. So at this point, when I look at sunshades, I try to find something unique and completely different than what I already have. And I thought this was given that, just the color of them for sure. Like, look how different this is, and to wear with like cream or browns, like this is a vibe. And the contrast with my hair and the dark, like the chocolate and then my hair, like these are so cute. So cute. And let me just show y'all the ones that Mr. Guy, he picked out for himself. And they're polarized lenses, and see how they're just like the jet black. I think you call these aviators that have that line across there, but they're square. And so these are his, and they fit him so great. They look really good on him. And I think most of his shades are like brown and gold. And so now he has like an all jet black pair, and they look really stylish. So I was happy that he got something too, because he's one of those guys that doesn't really care to get stuff for himself. So I'm always happy when he gets something for himself. And then a couple of cards. So this came with the Victoria's Secret. He got me a gift card for Victoria's Secret. Let me put this in here so I don't lose that. And then another card And every time we stop like by the town center or when we go to Galleria, even if I don't get anything, I always walk by H&M and say, hey, let's go look in there, even if it's for like 1 minute. And so I got an H&M gift card. And next, y'all, YouTube sent me something. Can you believe it? YouTube sent me something. And let's see what this is. And so this is, oh wow, y'all look, it's a hoodie. And it's thick and heavy. How nice. So thank you, YouTube, for sending this over. This year has been really good, y'all. It's really been a blessed year. Like, it's just... So moving on to this bag, which is also from Mr. And he got me some electronics, you guys. So this is a camera monitor. And while I'm filming, I guess you connect it with the camera. I'm not sure how this works. He's gonna have to show me how to do this. But actually while I'm filming, this is gonna go on my desk right next to me so I can see everything clearly. Because, and if you're a content creator, you know what I mean. So when you're filming, and sometimes I may say that in a video, like I have to wait till I edit to see if it's really what I think, because sometimes how we see it in the mirror or how we see it in the viewfinder is not how it looks when we go back to edit. And so this kind of eliminates that, where we can see exactly what it looks like while we're filming, which is kind of like a game changer. So I love that he got me this. This is something that I never even asked for. So I love this, and I'll keep you guys updated because I did realize that there's a lot of content. I'm finding out that so many of you guys are actually YouTubers and I didn't even know. So I'll keep y'all posted because some of you guys may want to get something like this. So hopefully I can get this connected really soon, like within the next week, and start using it. And the camera that I use in my studio and right now is the Sony a6600. But my Canon camera is actually one of my favorites. I love my Canon. I have a DSLR, but I don't use it anymore because the lens is too tight, if you know what that means. So he got me a wide angle lens for the Canon so I can start back using that. So I'm gonna attach this and test it out and see how it works, so we can really up the quality on these videos for you guys. But I mean, I haven't gotten any complaints yet, but if we can take it to another level, why not? So I love this, love. I was so shocked at this because I had been mentioning that I wanted to start back using my Canon, but the lens, you know. And then this is, babe, what is this? It's a monitor? Oh, okay. So this is a monitor. And what the monitor is for, remember I told y'all about that I take baths. So I'm gonna probably insert footage of this because it's not gonna fit in the frame. A tall stand that rolls around, and you can attach a TV or a monitor or a screen to it, and you can roll your TV around to wherever you are, because I take a lot of baths and I'm usually in there for like a couple of hours. And so this is a monitor that he's gonna attach up there so I can just kind of, I guess, hook up my phone and then watch like my YouTube videos or Netflix or whatever that I feel like doing while I'm in the tub, because usually I kind of set my phone in there somewhere. So now I have like a stand outside of the tub with like a monitor. So I love that. It's the attention to detail for me. So I love this. I can't wait for him to hook it up and start using it. That same day that we went to the Galleria and he said I could pick out a bag, I ended up, I guess you could call this a bag, but we went to the Saint Laurent store, and I was looking at a few things and something really caught my eye, which was, I guess it's somewhat of like a clutch. And so I decided to get this instead because it's so different than anything I have already. So I took the bow off of it. It was like boxed really pretty because we just did like an unboxing video of it. But this is it, and it's so cute. So let's open it up. And this is it. It's like a patent leather. I don't think it's made of patent leather. It's made of something else, but it's like patent leather-ish. And it just has obviously the name there, and it zips up. And the size is pretty good. You can actually fit quite a bit in here. Like all of my essentials, what I would put in my normal purse, I can actually fit in here. Now they had a couple sizes. They had a size that was almost like, pictured like maybe 1.5 to 2 of these that almost look like a big square. And I thought that this one looked a little bit more, well, a lot more kind of like dainty and ladylike and more like dinner appropriate, because that's what I had in mind to wear this to like dinner. And the other one was, it wasn't bulky, but it was just like a big square. I thought this one made more sense for like a clutch. So cute. So next time we go to dinner, I'm definitely gonna be rocking my little clutch. I'm not sure what this is called, but I'll be using it for a clutch. We went to Fendi, and by the way, if any of you guys were interested in the Fendi fragrances, they're now at regular Fendi stores, because here in our Houston Galleria, we don't have a flagship store, and originally the Fendi fragrances were only at flagship stores. Anywho, if you saw that video that I did this summer, we took a trip to Vegas. I got sick, but the last day before I went home, we went to Fendi, and I did like a whole Fendi haul, and I'll link the video right there if you want to check it out. And it's like a video on what's new at Fendi, and I did a haul. So I got some jewelry as well, which was like a bracelet and some Fendi earrings. And so I got the ring now to go with it. I wanted to get a necklace, but I didn't find one that really fit, you know, what I liked. They did have a few options, but I said I'll wait. Why just get something just to kind of complete the set? Wait till you find something that you really, really like. But this is so cute. It has like the blingy stones on there, and it's so cute, and it matches the earrings to the T. So if you saw that video, you saw like what the earrings and the bracelet kind of looked alike. So this kind of matches. So last but not least is probably the best thing out of the haul, and it's a blanket. So Mr. got all of us, me and the kids, blankets made, like personalized blankets made. And I was literally blown away. Hopefully you'll be able to see the whole thing. Now my foot fell asleep. Child. It's a picture that we took in Cabo. It's us at dinner. So I'm here and he's at the opposite side of the table, and I love it. It's warm, it's beautiful, it's so realistic. They did an awesome job, and I love it. So that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. So thank y'all for hanging out with me today. If you're new here, welcome. I'd love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and happy holidays. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars.